I'm going to show you the BNC connectors on the HP 8981B. This is the BNC panel mount socket with a 0 ohm resistor on the back, and this is the SMC plug that goes into the back. So this screws into the front panel hole, and on the back of the panel mount connector is this guy here, and you can't quite see the pin or the lead of the resistor sticking out of the back of the socket, but the idea is that this SMC connector on this side fits into the hole and makes contact with the resistor, but unfortunately the lead of the resistor is so far back it only makes contact with about 1 millimeter to 1.5 millimeters of the SMC connector. So I've proved that the vector modulation analyzer does work by bypassing the BNC connector altogether and going straight to this connector with the SMC to the actual unit itself. So kind of a bad design. I think that the way the machine is built is very robust, and this seems to be the absolute weakest link.